I am Aisilin Joy Agda. Water transportation. Transportation is the movement of humans, animals, and goods from one location to another. Modes of transport include air, rail, road, water, cable, pipeline, and space. Humans' first means of transport involve walking, running, and swimming. The domestication of animals introduced the new way to lay the burden of transport on more powerful creatures or humans riding animals for greater speed and durations. Inventions such as the wheel and the sled help make animal transport more efficient through the introduction of vehicles. Water transportation. Transport which can move on water are called water transport. Water transportation is the intentional movement by water over large distances. Historically, water was transported by hand in dry countries, by traditional waterers such as the Sakas of Arabia and Bishti of India. Water transport is the cheapest and the oldest mode of transport. It operates on a natural track and hence does not require huge capital investment in the construction and maintenance of its track except in case of canals. The cost of operation of water transport is also very less. It has the largest carrying capacity and is most suitable for carrying bulky goods over long distances. It has played a very significant role in bringing different parts of the world closer and is indispensable to foreign trade.
Good day everyone, my name is Marvin Judat Melchor, a student of BE's HM2B. So today's topic we will discuss about the history of the water transportation. Let's go! Okay, the history of water transportation. When water goes back thousands of years, water is one thing that mankind needs to survive. Civilization have always been selected near and around the water. So, historical societies have always located near water due partly to the fact that water enable more efficient travel compared going to sea. So, in the past, maybe in ancient time or in society, they always located at near the water or ocean. One thing is they prefer that water transportation is more efficient over the land. Next is waterways are critically important to the transportation of people and goods throughout the world. Next, complex network of connection between coastal ports, inland ports, trails, air, and track roads from a foundation of material economic wealth worldwide. Next, waterways are important to a society. They allow the case of transportation to ship, goods, and people all parts of the world. Next is the type of water transportation includes boats, ships, barge, and submarines. Within the United States, waterways have been developed and integrated into a world-class transportation system that has been instrumental in the country's economic development. So, today, there are more than 17,000 kilometers of commercially important navigation channel in the lower 48 states. Oh, and that's it, guys. I hope you learn about the history of water transportation, and that's it. Thank you.
So guys, next is evolution of water transportation. So first is many thousands of years, a raft made by tying several logs together with creepers was the first kind water transport at the personal cold steer. So ara dala guys, ang picture, makita nyo dala ang sa tigulang nga naara sa isa ka bala sa di ba bala sa ina diri tawgon sa aton subong. So muna gid sa ang the first kind water transportation. Next is 4000 BC. Boat builders in ancient Egypt used reeds to build what were probably the first sailing boats. So, ang Egypt kuno nagbuild sila sang first sailing boat sa rao nagobra sila sang ilaman nga kumbaga do pagahimuon man nila nga barko. Next is by 2500 BC, the Egyptians were building wooden boats that could sail across ocean. So, ay na guys, ang Egyptian kuno nagbuild sila sa wooden boats. So, ari na ara dala sa picture ang ila obra. Muna na siya ang ilang naging obra sa Egyptian. Next is in 1990s, cruise liner or ship that carry hundred of people of floating holidays. So, ara dra guys, ang isa ka cruise line ng ara da kita mo da ang barko nila na nagakarga sa 100 people on floating holidays. So, wala na siya guys. Next is modern nuclear powered aircraft carriers, battle cruiser, destroyer, and nuclear powered submarine are all used to keep a country safe to protect its territory. So, ara dira guys, so makita nyo man ang ilang nga barko nga do lain gidi lain siya yung nga pagkabarko do damo sa yasing ano wala sa gilid niya. So, ara do kuan ina sa kanang modern nuclear powered aircraft carrier, battle cruiser, destroyed, and nuclear powered submarine. So, ara siya guys. Safe and to protect its territory. Halata man sila nga barko, diba? So, nga sa guys.
Hi, I am Cedric Blasorcag Dumalig from BHHM CSO 2B. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: cheap. Minimum chances of traffic accidents and traffic hazards. Require cheap motor powers than airplanes. Possesses high load carrying capacity. Disadvantages: limited functionality capabilities. Slow in speed. Difficult to monitor exact location of goods. High weather susceptible. Role of water transport in tourism. Cruise tourism has been a growing market sector around the world, not only as a means to travel a destination but as an experience. The development of a destination as a cruise port requires in-depth economic, environmental, and social assessment. Destination also need to consider the capacity of existing tourism product, marine infrastructure, land-based transport service, and tour operations to meet the need of this market. Successful cruise destination must provide a unique experience for visitors, have well-organized transport system and public amenities, clustered tourism product and attraction, and a variety of excursion and shopping options.
Good day everyone, my name is Melvin Aberdal and I'm going to report this topic about prominent water transportation operators. Okay, so first, Super Ferry, founded by the Aboitiz Group and is based in Manila. It is the country's largest shipping company in terms of the wide and various services they can offer. Next, Cebu Ferries is a shipping company based in Cebu City, Philippines. It is the Aboitiz alternate shipping company. International. Royal Caribbean Cruise. It is a Norwegian and American cruise line brand based in Miami. Star Cruises. A member of Genting Hong Kong, is the sixth largest cruise line in the world, behind companies such as Carnival Corporation and Royal Caribbean Cruise. Star Cruises dominates the Asia-Pacific market and is owned by Genting Hong Kong.
Hi, I am Dave Anthony Villanor from BSH MCSO2B, and this is the continuation of our report. Recent innovation is a type of boat used in Philippines for fishing and transporting passengers. They are constructed with a long thin central hull and a solid buoyant horizontal wooden skid named an outringer 1 to 3 meters from both sides of the hull. Sa recent innovation, muna siya ang type of boat nga ginagamit diri sa Pilipinas para sa fishing sa pangisda nga ginagamit man siya sa pag ng transport sa mga pasahero. Muni nga type nga boat ginaubras ini siya sa with long central hull kag solid buoyant kag horizontal wooden skin muna ang ginagamit tawag sa outrigger kag the most important is that the both sides sang hull may ara nga 1.3 meters. 2. A small self-propelled vehicle for one person resembling a scooter which skims across water on flat scale and it's steered by means of handlebars. It is properly known as stand-up personal watercraft. Next, muni nga boat is known as stand-up o PWC or ginatawag naton nga personal watercraft or small self-propelled vehicle or kilala siya nga jet ski sa particularly nga sa isa ka tawo nga gaskim siya across sa tubig. On a flat keel, kag of course muni nga kind of vehicle is steered by handlebars. Muni ang makikita naton nga boat nga may ara sa Boracay nga ginatawag nanda nga jet ski. That's all.